In a perfectly ordinary suburban home, with perfectly ordinary parents, lives one extraordinarily quiet baby. Dinner, mashed sweet potato. He accepts it without complaint, as he accepts most things. He is, by all accounts, the calmest infant in the neighborhood. Bedtime arrives without protest. By day, by night, well, "12 a.m. sharp." Meet the chief executive of Bedtime operations. Tonight's directive: file the cookie jar, top of the refrigerator, northwest corner. The kitten is the reluctant accomplice. She did not, for the record, get a choice in the matter. Comms test, both sides reading clear. The parents are professional sleepers. They have, regrettably, no idea. Phase 1 deployment. Estimated transit time, 90 seconds. The family, pictured here at brunch. Note, no executives visible. The kitten is exceptionally good at what she did not sign up for. And so, into the operations theater.
Go. Meow.
There it is, Oreo, double stuffed, suspiciously untouched. Phase 2, extraction, equipment, 1 sippy cup pulley, 1 measuring tape, 1 distraction. The fridge stands 6 feet tall. Our boss stands 2. Math will be required.
Phew.
The distraction is going better than anyone expected. The pulley holds. The pulley always holds. This is why we use a pulley. Mission status achieved. Down the same way up, quietly. Two friends, 1 Oreo, equal halves, always. Friendship, when conducted at 3 in the morning, is taken seriously. At this point, business with the moon must be conducted. Don't ask. He'll explain another time. The moon, as it turns out, is reasonable. "4:47 a.m., 43 minutes to dawn, evidence will be erased."
Almost. There. Got it.
Chalkboard, cookies, rig, Roomba, briefcase, each item in reverse. By 5 a.m., the chief executive will be a baby again. Until tomorrow.
My sweet boy. Did you keep watch all
Mother
night?
suspects nothing. Mother has, in fact, never suspected anything.
Ahaha.
The kitten knows everything. She would prefer not to. One cookie crumb, one note, 3 words. Phase 2 tomorrow.